Ever feel like you just need a little reminder of what truly matters? Well, say hello to your new favorite slogan, Smoke Brisket Not Meth. It's a cheeky, fun way to celebrate your love for good food and good choices. Whether you're a barbecue enthusiast or just someone who loves a good laugh, this design is bound to make you smile and maybe even start a conversation or two. Walking down the street, and someone catches a glimpse of your shirt. Their eyes light up, they chuckle, and they say, "I love that. Where did you get it?" That's the magic of a good design. It starts conversations, makes people smile, and expresses who you are without saying a word. And our latest collection is doing just that with a simple yet powerful message: Smoke Brisket, Not Meth. This design speaks volumes. It's a playful yet poignant statement, celebrating the joy of slow-cooked, mouth-watering brisket while poking fun at the absurdity of harmful choices. It's for the barbecue masters, the food lovers, the ones who know that life is better with delicious smoked meat than with any other smoke out there. This isn't just a slogan, it's a style statement. Imagine sporting this witty design on a zip hoodie or turning heads with a bold graphic t-shirt. Picture it on your laptop sleeve, jazzing up your workspace, or even on a cozy desk mat that brings a bit of humor to your everyday grind. The options are endless. From leggings to wall tapestries, from art prints to acrylic blocks, there's something for everyone. Need a unique gift? How about a cutting board for the grill master in your life, or a chic chiffon top that adds a playful twist to any outfit? Don't forget about our backpacks, clocks, and even pet bandanas for those who love to include their furry friends in the fun. So why not sprinkle a little humor into your daily routine, or even better, into someone else's? A wall tapestry for your living room, a water bottle for your gym sessions, or a canvas print for that perfect spot on your wall. It's not just a purchase, it's an experience, a conversation starter, and a reminder that life is too short for anything but great choices. So go ahead, make a statement that's as bold and unique as you are. Head over to our store and find the perfect way to say, "Smoke Brisket, Not Meth, your way, your style." Don't just follow the trend, set it.